There is one word, one single word. And if you say it during a scam call, you could lose your home, your savings, your retirement, everything you have spent your entire life building. I am not exaggerating. I have seen it happen. I have reviewed the case files. I have spoken to the victims. And every single time, it started with that one word. My name is Lin Wei. I have spent more than 2 decades working alongside fraud investigators, financial institutions, and consumer protection agencies across Asia and North America, tracking exactly how criminals exploit the people who least deserve it. And what I am about to share with you today is something that the phone companies know, that the banks know, and that scammers are counting on you never finding out. The word is yes, that is it. 1 syllable, 3 letters, and in the wrong phone call at the wrong moment, it can be used to authorize transactions you never agreed to, sign contracts you never saw, and grant permissions you never intended to give. Let me explain exactly how this works, because understanding the mechanism is what will protect you. Scammers today are not the amateurs of 10 years ago. They are organized, they are funded, and they are running what are essentially call centers dedicated entirely to targeting seniors. They have scripts, they have recordings, they have technology that can isolate, clip, and repurpose audio from your phone calls in real time. When you answer the phone and say yes, even in response to something completely innocent like, "Can you hear me okay?" or "Is this the Smith residence?" and that recording of your voice saying yes is captured, and it becomes a weapon. Here is how they use it. Many financial institutions and service providers still use voice authorization as a form of consent. Criminals know this. They use your recorded yes to authorize fraudulent charges, to confirm account changes, to approve transfers. They submit it as proof that you agreed. And when you call your bank in a panic saying you never authorized anything, they play back a recording of your own voice saying yes. Proving fraud becomes extraordinarily difficult. Recovering your money becomes a legal battle that can take months or years, if it is recovered at all. Before I go any further, if you're watching this for the first time, please subscribe right now and hit that notification bell. Every single week, I bring you the information that the people targeting you hope you never see. And I want to ask you, drop a comment below right now and tell me what city or country you're watching from today. I read every comment personally. And knowing where my community is helps me track where these scams are hitting hardest, so I can warn you first. You are not alone in this. We are in this together. Now let us go deeper, because the yes trap is just one layer of a much more sophisticated attack. The call typically begins with something disarming, a voice that sounds professional, calm, even friendly. They might claim to be from your bank's fraud department, from Medicare or Social Security, from a well-known tech company saying there's a problem with your account. They create a scenario designed to make you feel either scared or relieved, 2 emotions that both lower your guard in different ways. Fear makes you act fast without thinking. Relief makes you trust without questioning. Both get them what they want. The question that captures your yes is always engineered to sound routine. Are you the account holder? Is this a good time to talk? Did you receive our letter in the mail? Simple, harmless. You say yes automatically because that is what polite, reasonable people do. And that is exactly what they are counting on. Here's what I need you to do starting from this moment. When you receive an unexpected phone call, and I mean any unexpected call, replace the word yes with a different response. Instead of saying yes, say that is correct, or I confirm, or simply repeat back what they said. That is correct. This is the Smith residence. It feels slightly awkward at first. Do it anyway, because a recording of you saying that is correct is far harder to weaponize than a clean, isolated recording of you saying yes. The clip does not work the same way. The technology they use depends on that single affirmative word. Second, and this is absolutely critical, never trust caller ID. This surprises many people, but caller ID can be faked. It is called spoofing, and criminals use software that makes their call appear to come from your bank's official number, from a government agency, from a local area code. The number you see on your screen means nothing. If someone calls you claiming to be from your bank, hang up. Look up your bank's official number on the back of your debit card or on their official website. Call them back yourself. That one habit alone will protect you from the majority of phone scams targeting seniors today. Third, if a caller creates urgency, treat it as a red flag, not a reason to comply. Legitimate institutions do not call you and demand immediate action. They do not tell you that your account will be frozen in the next hour if you do not verify your information right now. They do not tell you that law enforcement is on the way unless you pay immediately. That urgency is manufactured. It is a pressure tactic designed to stop you from thinking clearly, from calling a family member, from hanging up and verifying. The moment someone on the phone makes you feel rushed or threatened, the correct response is to hang up. Every time, without exception. Fourth, tell your family what you have learned today. Right now, somewhere, a senior is on a call being told they owe back taxes and will be arrested if they do not pay immediately with gift cards. Somewhere, a grandparent is being told their grandchild is in jail and needs bail money wired right now. Somewhere, someone is saying yes to a question they did not realize was a trap. The more people in your family and your community who know about this, the harder these criminals have to work. Knowledge is the only thing that truly stops them. And fifth, register your number on the National Do Not Call Registry if you are in the United States or your country's equivalent service. It will not stop all scam calls, but it reduces the volume significantly and makes it easier to identify calls you receive as suspicious, because legitimate businesses will honor the registry and scammers will not. I want you to do one thing before you close this video. Think about the last unexpected call you received. Think about whether you said yes at any point during that call. If you did, contact your bank today. Ask them to review recent account activity. Ask them to add a verbal password to your account, something a recording of your voice saying yes cannot replicate. Most banks offer this, and most people never ask for it. You work too hard. You sacrifice too much. You built something real. And no criminal on the other end of a phone line deserves 1 cent of it. I am Lin Wei. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.